Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something super cool to share with you. How your vagus nerve can play a significant role in controlling your weight. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's dive right in. You've probably heard about the brain-gut connection and how the vagus nerve keeps our mood in check. But did you know this same nerve quietly shapes our metabolism every single day? The vagus nerve acts as a metabolic control center, influencing hunger, fullness, weight, and blood sugar. When you eat, the vagus nerve sends signals from your gut to your brain, telling you when you've had enough. It helps regulate hunger hormones like leptin, influencing your food choices and satiety levels. In fact, stimulating this nerve could offer an alternative to traditional weight loss surgeries. Dr. Nasha Winters, a naturopathic doctor, says that a well-functioning vagus nerve helps regulate appetite and can prevent overeating. She even calls it the "I've had enough" signal, but it goes further to the "I am enough" signal. Deep, right? The vagus nerve connects the brain and spinal cord to organs that regulate food absorption and nutrient storage. It's involved in blood glucose regulation, prompting the pancreas to release insulin and signaling the liver to store and release glucose. Plus, it triggers the release of bile and digestive enzymes. Reducing inflammation is another reason vagus nerve stimulation can support weight management. Inflammation is a significant driver of metabolic syndrome, increasing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. Device-based vagus nerve stimulation, VNS, is often used to improve metabolism. Transcutaneous vagus nerve stimulation, TVNS, delivers gentle electrical impulses through the ear to regulate hunger and digestion. Other therapies like acupuncture and biofeedback also increase vagus nerve activity and help maintain stable blood glucose levels. Even meditation is suggested for managing metabolic syndrome and obesity. Another promising therapy is vagal nerve blocking, or VB-lock therapy. VB-lock transmits electrical pulses to the vagus nerve at regular intervals, decreasing hunger and food intake. It's been shown to lead to significant weight loss in some cases. Now, you might be wondering how vagus nerve therapy compares with popular weight loss drugs like Ozempic. Both tackle weight loss differently. Ozempic mimics a natural hormone that controls blood sugar and appetite, but can come with side effects and isn't a long-term solution for everyone. On the other hand, vagus nerve stimulation works more subtly by restoring the body's natural balance. It may take longer to see results, but it addresses the root causes of metabolic dysfunction, like stress and inflammation, with added benefits like improved mood and digestion. It's a long-term investment in overall health rather than a quick fix. So, next time you think about weight loss, remember your vagus nerve might just be your best ally. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights. Catch you in the next video.